All right, so the other day, it may for you guys, it may have been literally like a day or two ago. Anyways, we did a review, or we showed, I guess, sort of a review, sort of a review. We tried this, MaecTech. This is their Pro suction cup mount, and honestly, really great. You know, really great. These come in around, I think it was 40, $50 Canadian, something like that. So if you wanted something that had additional, mounting holes, and it was way better than like your cheap Amazon suction mount. This was something that I would like. You know what? Yeah, I think I would trust my camera on this. Well, if that isn't good enough, then they sent this, and this is their electric suction cup mount. So we have done some reviews on suction cup mounts, electric ones, but this one comes in about 125 Canadian. Um, and I think, based on my experience with electric ones, this is again, if you have a $1,000 camera on it, maybe you don't want it hitting the ground. I don't know. Maybe you don't want it falling off your car. Maybe that's the thing. Anyways, this is what comes in this here box. And of course, you get your 5-inch electric suction cup mount, little manual dealy. Sweet. You get a cleaning cloth with a little hook thing there. That's interesting. Again, you get, just like you did in the other one, you get like a little, my guess is like a little tethery cord. You get a charging cable, because unlike a traditional suction cup, you have to charge this. Yes, that's cool. You're gonna get the same kind of mount, it looks like. Is it the same mount? No, I'd actually say it's similar. It's similar mount, to this one. If not pretty close. I'd say this one maybe a little nicer, mount. You can actually, looks like, get like some tools in there to really get this nice and tight, which is kind of cool. And then you have this piece here, which has, again, a little knob on it. That's like a little clamp. What is that? That must be what clamps on. Here you can see it goes into one of the 1/4-inch threads. Here, it looks like you have an option. Does this come off? Because it is a ball mount. Now I'm curious. Yes, can it come off? I don't know. Oh, you get some cleaning wipes, and you get the suction cup mount. Like I had said in my last video, there's a lot of times that I'm just like, you know what? I got nowhere to put anything. I can't mount it. There's nowhere to put a clamp on. So suction cup mount might be okay. And as you can see, it is bigger, so it's going to give you more surface, right? So more surface, more suction, more better. This is going to come off the bottom. Very cool. It same has this little thing. I'm not 100% what that is. I don't want to play with it. Anyways, oh, I see. So you can, if you want, mount something straight to it. It does have these 1/4-inch, or I'm not sure what this is. This is the larger one. I'm not sure what that is. You can mount it to that. Okay, I'm with you. So far, so good. But this opens up, and I don't know if you guys can see it there. There's a little ledge right there. So very much just like you would find on a tripod, yes? So you just slide that on however you want. And then once that's there, you can fiddle around like me, I guess. Don't have it as loosey-goosey as it was before, right? Just kind of get that where it needs to be. Yes. Tighten that up. That's not coming off. Okay. That's on there like so. You can slide it, so it means it has perfect positioning to wherever you want, right? You can slide all the way to the edge, anywhere in the center. You can still have your mounts open for maybe something else. Maybe you got something else, right? And then, of course, you have your GoPro style, your triple clamp, which you can take off, put a camera on there. Okay, I'm down. Yes. And on the end here, you have your power button and your USB-C for charging. And I think right here, I think that's a little LED. Usually what happens is it kind of tells you how suctiony it is, like how good the suction is. Now I got to find something. I got to find something to onto. You know what I mean? So the other day, when I did the other one, this one, I did it on my laptop, but because this is electric and I have a feeling it's really going to, I think it'll suck the screen right through. I don't want that. That's good. Now make sure you clean that. I'm gonna see if it'll stick to that. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Yes. So again, on the side here, we have an on/off button. All right. We just hold that. Yep. Oh, and it'll next start. See the little blue light? Is that it? Yep, that's it. That's all. And that tells you your level of suction. Yes, it just says you're good. You're good. No worry. Ready? And this is full of clamps, so it's actually got some weight to it. Oh. Right? See that? I don't want to throw it just in case I have a TV back here. And then when you're done, and the premise with these is if it does detect that it's losing air, let's see if I can lift this a little bit. Oh yeah, see the suction just starts, right? When it's back on again. Yes, sir. And then when you want to release this, well, you could just kind of get under here and just kind of, right? Just. I do like the fact, right? Hopefully you guys can see that, right? As soon as you lift it a little bit, if I can get, you can see that the suction, and you get close, and it just says, "Yeah, I got a hold of it." And then if you want, you can just turn it off, and it should just. Oh no, it's still suctioning. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, that's super cool. Now, these two, of course, I would say if you got your traditional action cam and you're just, floating around doing some stuff, you wanted to stick onto your window inside your car, or you're sticking it on your mirror in the house or something like that, then this is good. But if you want to make sure it's not going to fall off, this is better, especially if it's getting mounted like outside the car, right? Or for me, on my motorcycle. This is awesome. Yep, awesome. Anyways, I'll leave links down below. There's more information on their website. But if you want to check it out, head on over there, because these electric suction mounts, a little bit of all right in my books. A little bit of all right. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Oh yeah, I know there wasn't much of a test for either of these. It's not what this is. In the spring, when it's not, I don't have like 4 feet of snow outside, we'll be testing these on the motorcycle. All right, we'll see you guys next video. Later.